A steam boiler temperature control valve operates by utilizing a temperature sensor to monitor the steam temperature, which then sends a signal to a controller that adjusts the valve position, allowing more or less steam to flow through the system, effectively regulating the overall steam temperature by controlling the amount of heat transfer within the boiler. Essentially, when the steam temperature rises above the set point, the valve partially closes to restrict steam flow, and vice versa when the temperature drops below the set point, allowing more steam to flow. Key components and working principle. Temperature sensor. A temperature sensor, like a thermocouple or RTD, is placed in the steam line to continuously monitor the temperature. Controller. The sensor signal is transmitted to a controller that compares the measured temperature to the desired set point and calculates the necessary valve position adjustment. Actuator. The controller sends a signal to an actuator, pneumatic or electric, which physically moves the valve stem to open or close the valve. Valve body. The valve body contains a valve stem and a seat that controls the flow of steam by opening or closing the passage. Methods for steam temperature control. Spray water system. In many cases, especially in superheaters, a spray water system is used to directly cool the steam by injecting small amounts of water into the steam flow when the temperature gets too high. Bypass valve. A bypass valve can be used to divert a portion of the steam flow to a cooler area, allowing for temperature modulation. Fuel control. Adjusting the fuel input to the boiler can also indirectly affect the steam temperature. Important factors to consider. Valve type. The choice of valve design, e.g., globe valve, butterfly valve, depends on the required flow characteristics and pressure conditions. Control loop design. Proper tuning of the controller is crucial to achieve accurate temperature control and minimize overshoot. Safety considerations. Safety interlocks should be implemented to prevent extreme temperature fluctuations and potential damage to the system.